how to analyze the enabling environment for designing your intervention. This video will show you how to assess the current situation that may influence the design and impact of your intervention. You assess this by analyzing policies, mapping the actors and their investments, and exploring the context where your project is taking place. This is called enabling environment analysis. It will be useful for donors, NGOs, private companies, policymakers, researchers, and government agencies who want to invest in or support the scaling of innovations. The process has 5 steps. Your first step is to design the scope with your team. The scope outlines this analysis' general goals and objectives and lists the major deliverables and milestones. Our tool has pre-designed categories and questions to guide you through this process. Once your scope is clear, Step 2 is to develop an overview that guides you on what data to collect and how to analyze this data and organize your findings. This is called the analytical framework. Our tool has a list of questions and topics to select from. This helps to break down the enormous amount of information and data into an organized overview that guides you through the analysis. Step 3 is to develop your inventory by translating the framework into an Excel template for collecting data such as policies, interventions, and contextual factors for your analysis. For guiding your search online, you select keywords that reflect the objectives of your intervention. These keywords will help you to find all the relevant policies and interventions to your scope of work. In Step 4, the real analysis begins. You read and select from each policy, intervention, and context-related publication and fill this information into the inventory. You then cluster or group your findings with similar themes or topics together. This creates a complete and clear overview of your enabling environment. Step 5 is to draw the strategy. This starts with an in-depth analysis to understand the interconnections between the policy frameworks, interventions, and contexts. You can also identify achievements, shortcomings, solutions, and opportunities for innovation scaling. A SWOT analysis can be used to develop the strategy for recommendations. A detailed guide can be found in Working Paper 197. Analyzing the enabling environment to enhance the scaling of irrigation and water management technologies, a tool for implementers. Watch the other videos in the Adaptive Scaling Toolkit to make informed decisions about scaling innovations.
This tool is part of the Systemic Adaptive Scaling Toolkit that IWMI has developed. We at IWMI would like to encourage everyone to use this tool so that agricultural innovations and water solutions can be catalyzed by and with the private and public sector investment.